Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the HP Gaming Mouse M270. There's an image of the gaming mouse right on top. This is, as you can tell, it's a gaming inspired design. It comes with 4 DPI adjustable modes. It comes with 4 DPI adjustable modes along with 4 buttons. There's a 4-button mouse. Do we have any more information on this? It's written over here, instantly switch between 4 DPI settings for more precise targeting. Ergonomic design for lasting comfort, LED lighting with breathing effect, corresponding gear color flashes when DPI is adjusted, and also comes with 1-year warranty. Okay, and that's more or less it. This basically runs on every system, every Windows system imaginable, as it's written over here, and the cable length is 1.6 meters. I'm now going to open this box and show you what's inside. So this is it. This is what you find inside this particular box. A lot of documents here. This is the product warranty card. There you go. This is the user manual for this is a quick start guide for the M270. You must read this document. You should read this document at least once. This is a product notice from HP, and this is the support card from HP. Support information basically. I'll keep all of them over here. And this is the HP Gaming Mouse M270. This is what it looks like. It has this matte black finish to it. At least this part is matte black. This part is glossier, and this part actually looks enameled. This has a chrome element right over here, so basically this particular mouse sports a black and chrome finish, making it look very classy and very sleek indeed. It's not the largest mouse. It's actually a pretty standard sized mouse, and yes, the design is gaming inspired. You'll notice these grooves and the angles right over here. This is very much a gaming inspired mouse. This mouse will be used primarily for gaming, that's for sure. This is the mouse wheel that also moonlights as a third mouse button, and this is the button that you use to change your DPI settings. This one right over here. So this is the cable in question. This is a braided cable, which means it will not get tangled, tear very easily. It's also 1.6 meters long, so there you go. This is 1.6 meter long braided cable. And finally, this is the USB-A port at the other end. I'm going to plug this device in and show you how it works. I have a laptop right over here. I'm going to plug it in like so. You heard that tone, which means it's not working. It really is working, but let me just show you how it actually works. There you go. I don't know if you can see this. I'll zoom out just a bit so you can see the mouse on this side. There you go. You can see the mouse now, and notice that I'm moving this cursor right over here. These are all the tabs that I've opened. I've been working on them since morning, etc, etc. More tabs, more folders, etc, etc. Everything is right over here. This mouse is working. One final thing, notice that this particular mouse also comes with breathing LED RGB lights, and they are cycling through a particular loop right now. It's going from red to other colors. As you can tell right now, it's red, then it's going to violet, purple, etc, finally to blue, and back to red. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the HP Gaming Mouse M270. Thank you for watching.